This episode reveals how the brain solidifies new skills while we sleep, replaying practice sessions to strengthen circuits. During slow wave sleep, the hippocampus handshakes with the cortex, transferring memories into long-term storage and sharpening neural connections. Relatable experiments show musicians and athletes waking up to clearer performances after a night of rest, not just more hours. The science translates to daily life, suggesting quick power naps can boost accuracy, reduce fatigue, and reframe stubborn habits. If viewers question their own mornings, they may notice a simple truth: rest is not idle time but active brain maintenance.